just walked up this track here from the road near Kielder and where the observatory is, and I'm going on the bloody bush toll. That's what it says, so you don't need to bleep that out. Borderline Kielder. Just a bit of information, no mobile phone coverage, 15 kilometers, blah blah blah, and even a grid reference. Right, off up there. On this out for mountain bikers. So it is actually a mountain bike track as well, with people with good off-road riding skills. Right, just getting into trees here. Just giving a bit of good coverage from sun because it's very warm. Right, still in the woods, but looking on my map, it's looking like another 10 minutes and we'll be out of here and climbing up onto Larriston Fells, where hopefully it's a bit breezy because it's very humid in here. And that's the path I've come up from. Right, off we go. Right, finally out into the breeze, and let's have a look around this corner, see if we can see the fells. Well, I can see them, you might not be able to see them on camera, so onwards and upwards. Out, properly out now. Right, I'll just show you what I'm wearing because I burnt my neck yesterday, so I've had to improvise with a t-shirt, and I look a bit out of place if somebody walks past. Black t-shirt covering my neck because that's where I got burnt yesterday, my fair skin. I forgot my sun cream, so quick pan round. Forest up Kielder, it's a massive area, and the path where I'm going. Very windy again, but a massive area of open space. Really nice. There's another fell over there, I don't know what that's called, but I'll check on the map later. Right, just climbed up through that jungle there because I cannot find a path up onto these fells. But I'm just going to show you a quick view again. And it looks like there's a track over there with the 4x4. So, and I'm going up here. So, I'll give you a shout in a bit. Over and out. Word of warning, if you're on your own, don't fall in bogs like them. Wow, I didn't think I was getting out. Right, still struggling on this heather. Who invented heather? Flipping heck. At last, in the far distance, the trick point. I never thought to see that. Just pan round, and you got the Kielder Forest Observatory over there. I don't know if you can see it. Zoom in, but it's not very good zooming in. Stargazers, supposed to be the best place in Britain to see all the stars. So, never been, but might be worth a look. If you can hear us with the wind. Okay, see you at the summit. Right, on the western side of Larriston Fells. I'll just pan round and show you the view from this side. Yay! Lovely views. I'll just pan round for you. Another cairn over there. Right, I'll have a drink. Thirsty. Really nice wind breeze coming over. Great views. Looking back where I come from, and the main trig point up there. Right, had a good nice little brew stop and good look at the views. I'm heading back now. I'm just lined up with the observatory at the minute until I find a fencing, and then I'm going to cut right down to the forest. So catch you in a bit. I'm going to follow this fence all the way down to the forest track. So it's quite boggy, but it's better than walking through all that heather. Right, catch you in a bit. And I finally hit the forest with this old farm wall here. So what I'm gonna do is follow that wall right down into the forest, and I'll pick up their little path. Hopefully. No, I'll be alright. Right, I've just found a nice little seat. Oh, flipping it, just falling down the ditch. Filming. Yeah. I'd have a seat, but I better crack on. Right, back on the path, and over that way. If you want to carry on walking that way, it goes to Kielder Bothy. I can't say it, and I don't know exactly how far it is without looking on the map. But my path is back that way, so I've really enjoyed it. It's been pretty tough though on that fell, going through all heather. I'll probably look for a different way up next time if I come again. Right, off we go. Right, back in the woods, on my way back now. Shouldn't be long before I get to the main track. It's been a great day, and it's really warm still. Finally back, and back to the sign that started off earlier, and that's my way back. Right, I'll stop filming now because you don't want to look at forest tracks. They're not that interesting. It's been a good 3 days up in Northumberland. I'm going to definitely come back again soon. And the weather's just been brilliant. So, a few blisters, 8 blisters from not wearing any socks as well. I'd just like to say thanks for watching, and hope you like the videos. If you don't, well, it's tough. Only joking. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.